Luna Terra has absolutely been making headlines recently, basically because it lost 100% of its value. Guys, just a couple of days ago, this coin was $119. It was last month in April, trading at $119. Today, it's a whopping, it's the same as Shiba Inu coin, 0.00002. And people are left wondering what's going on. Now, I will talk a little bit in this video about why Luna Terra is falling and how it has something to do with the UST, the stable coin that was out there. But as far as the reasons behind it, whether it was BlackRock, whether it was a hack, whether it was this, whether it was that, we're not going to dive too far into that because I don't think anybody knows with 100% certainty what the cause is just yet. But I do want to talk about what Luna Terra in this fall has exposed about centralized exchanges. Because guys, we are learning a lot about centralized exchanges and the fact that, well, they make their own rules. And they're just going to do whatever they want with your money. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Hey, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 for free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well. But guys, this is very interesting. So let's start off with crypto.com and what Luna Terra and this wild price action has really exposed about these centralized exchanges. Because we know that Luna in and of itself has tanked in price. It has lost nearly 100% of its value and is sitting way down there with more zeros than you can count. And exchanges all across the board. Binance delisted it for a while. I believe it might be back up now. It's suspended on Webull. You couldn't buy it on crypto.com for a while. Coinbase either. A lot of exchanges were left kind of up in the dust with what to do with Luna Terra. And this one, I do not like this one at all, man. We're going to talk about crypto.com and what they did with Luna Terra. And I believe that this is one of the largest flaws of a centralized exchange. Now, centralized exchanges have their pros, right? If you want to trade your coins for US dollars, you're going to need to use a centralized exchange. You're going to need to fill out the paperwork. You're going to need to KYC yourself or know your customer and identify yourself in a way that doesn't expose them to the risk of money laundering and things like that. So if you want fiat, you gotta use centralized. If you don't want fiat, it seems like decentralized may be the way to go, and here's why. Luna Terra had a wild price swings. Okay, that is obvious. Crypto.com, I believe it was for a 1 hour period, people were profitable trading Luna on crypto.com. Luna Terra was being traded and people were making money. Well, it comes out, this is yesterday, May 12th. Well, it just so happens that crypto.com looked into that and determined that their customers were, I don't even know if you can call them customers anymore, might just be creditors on centralized exchanges. Their creditors were being quoted an incorrect price. And therefore, since crypto.com made that mistake, they are reversing all of the trades that took place during that 1 hour period. It doesn't matter if you made $1 or if you made $1 million trading Luna Terra during that 1 hour period. They are taking that money back, saying, sorry, not sorry. And you know what they're giving you in return? $10. $10 in Crow, their coin, so that you can, I guess, feel compensated for the inconvenience, is what they say. Guys, this is nonsense. I understand. They have to quote you correct prices. They have to take responsibility for mistakes, and they don't. Because your money is in their custody, they believe that they can do whatever they want with it. Now, I believe that's absolute nonsense, and that is one of the largest flaws of centralized exchanges when it comes to the cryptocurrency market. And Luna Terra, whether this is a blessing in disguise or not, Luna Terra exposed that. If they want to take your money, they will. If they want to reverse your trade, they will. If Coinbase wants to file bankruptcy, guess what they're going to do? Take your money. So it is very obvious the times that we're living in right now. Customers are not being treated as customers. They're being treated as creditors, and they're being given very little, if any, respect when it comes to the money that they deposit onto these platforms. Now, Luna Terra, if you guys are considering buying it anywhere, I don't care if it's decentralized or if it is centralized, you have to treat it as a lottery ticket. Okay, it is a dying crypto. It is a dying project. The price is basically zero, and if you expect it to grow, great. But please do not put any money in that you are not willing to lose, because it is going to take a lot to fix that project and restore reputation. So keep that in mind if you guys are looking into it. But why the fall in the first place? This is just being riddled with conspiracy right now. Nobody knows why, and nobody knows why they didn't stop it. So in a nutshell, what happened with Luna Terra is the stable coin, UST, which is supposed to be pegged at $1, and then Luna Terra, the coin there, is being minted and burned in accordance to keep that UST pegged at $1. Something happened along the way, and I don't care who you guys blame, whatever, something happened, and it depegged it. It just tanked to 30 cents. Now, this was supposed to be an investment that never moved from $1, but now it's worth 30 cents. It created panic, and it created this, identity that something is not working as it seems, and people started selling off. Then they came up with the idea to continue making more Luna and printing and minting more Luna in order to stabilize UST. Well, clearly, trillions and trillions of Luna in. I don't know where that project stands, because I know they had to halt the blockchain, and I know they had to do all of this. And regardless of the reasons, you have to treat this as a lottery ticket now, because even if they can figure out the problem with UST, if they can solve it and if they can move forward, you're going to have a damaged reputation, by some, potentially forever. So if you're interested in that, please use all of your caution. But I personally believe that this really is the times that we're in right now, with crypto crashing and everything moving so volatile. It looks to the pros and cons of using these centralized exchanges or storing your cryptocurrency on these centralized exchanges. Hey, maybe it's not a bad idea to buy in, get it off Central, and then put it back on Central when you're ready to cash out. Because I don't know about you guys, but I do not like the fact that somebody out of nowhere can say, it's no longer your money anymore, it's my money now. That is disrespectful, and that is absolutely wrong. I want to know what you guys think about Luna, though. We got some lunatics out there buying it right now. We've got the skeptics that are out there. Let me know your thoughts on Luna Terra in the comments below, whether or not you guys are getting it, and what you guys think about Crypto.com reversing all of these trades, because, they made a mistake. Let me know down there, and if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance Gemini at Crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.